This is how you get rid of weeds around your home for almost nothing. First, take a container and add 1 liter of white vinegar. It helps break down the protective outer layer of weeds. Now add 4 tablespoons of salt, which helps draw moisture out of the plant and can make it difficult for weeds to continue growing. Next, add 1 teaspoon of liquid dish soap. It helps the solution stick to the leaves instead of running off, allowing the mixture to stay in contact with the weed longer. Stir everything together until the salt is completely dissolved. Once the mixture is ready, pour it into a spray bottle. Apply the solution directly onto the weeds, making sure to thoroughly coat the leaves and stems. For the best results, spray on a hot, sunny day when no rain is expected for at least 24 hours. The sunlight helps speed up the drying process and can increase the effectiveness of the treatment. This solution works especially well on weeds growing in sidewalks, patios, and between cracks in pavement. As the weeds absorb the mixture, they begin losing moisture and breaking down. By the following day, many weeds will appear brown, dried out, and severely damaged. Avoid spraying grass, flowers, vegetables, or other plants you want to keep. If you found this tip helpful, save this video so you can come back to it later.